Hello all, welcome back to Sovi. I will be posting easy crochet tutorials every Saturday. Subscribe for more such easy crochet tutorials. This week we'll make this beautiful hair clip using crochet and some pearls to give it that traditional look. We need 4-ply cotton yarn of any color that you like. The link is added in description for all the things that we used. Start with magic ring and chain 1. Make 8 single crochets in the loop. Pull the string and complete round 1 with a slip stitch. This is the central part of the flower. Just confirming that we have got 8 loops. Next round we'll start with chain 3. In the first single crochet, make 4 triple crochet. This is our first petal. This is how we make a popcorn stitch. So we will have 8 popcorn stitches to make and give us that flower look. When we finish the 4th triple crochet, pull the loop longer, remove the hook, and from first chain 3, pull that loop. It gives that bulged petal look. Then chain 1. We have a chain 1 in between each of the petals. For the next petal, we'll make 5 triple crochet stitches. Again, for the last stitch, pull the loop longer, and from the first triple crochet, complete the stitch. Chain 1 and continue 6 more times. You can pause here to complete the 6 other petals. Make a slip stitch in the first chain 3 to complete round 2. And a flower is complete. Cut off the ends and tie them as we go along. The flower is done. This we'll stick on one side of the clip. We need 2 of these. Now we'll make the dangles. It's very easy. Just insert the hook between the chain 1 stitches that we had between 2 petals and pull the thread, tie it off. Dangles are nothing but just chain stitches, 10 set of chain stitches. So we'll make chain 10 and cut the string at the end. Here we need to cut the string a little longer so that we can add the pearl clusters. I am making 5 of these. You can pause here and come back when you complete the rest of the dangles. Now we'll add cluster pearls I got these from Amazon. They are called something L'Oreal pearls. So we'll insert this in the string and stick them. If you're still here, please subscribe to the channel. I'll be posting such easy crochet tutorials every Saturday. And for the center one, I'm adding a pearl with golden border. You can add anything here that you have. Doesn't it look really pretty? We need two of such flowers with dangles, and the last step is sticking them to any hair clip that we have. So this is the wired like a metal frame hair clip that I had. All the links are added in description to the clip, the pearls and yarn. Stick flower on both the sides. And it's done. This video was of any help to you, please like, share and subscribe. I'll be posting such easy crochet tutorials every Saturday. Until then, happy crocheting!